G'day. Alright, today we've got the King's 2x3 meter awning and the King's sidewall. Today we're going to unbox, install and set them up. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, well, this is how it's come delivered. And let's crack them open. Alright, we'll save the sidewall for later. Let's get into this one. Come on, Missy. What you doing? Alright, there she is. Alright, well, there it is. Alright, let's open it up. I mean, so far everything looks pretty good. Straps there. I was expecting to see some fitting instructions in here. That's alright. Who needs instructions, right? Maybe they're rolled up in the actual awning itself. I think they are. I think I can feel that. Yep, there we are. There we go. So we've got the instructions there. Have a quick flick through all of this. Alright, so the first step is getting the mounting brackets onto the crossbar. So to do that, we're going to put a bolt through here. You will need a few things to get the brackets on there, so we'll just take a look at that now. So you will need some mounting brackets. These are sold separately to the awning, so they don't come together. And then you'll need a way to fit these to your crossbar. So what I've got here, this is actually a awning kit from ProRack. So these bolts are actually designed to fit inside of the track. We're not going to use these spring ones because the track that I have is a bit smaller, but if you have a wider track, these are the ones you would use. So we're going to get rid of the springs. And this is one I've sort of set up earlier. So we're going to use these ones, and I'll just show you how these fit into the track. Alright, so that's a bit better. I can show you with two hands, but you can see that sits pretty snug in there. And then that's going to hold the bracket in like so. So we'll get that done, and then we'll install the rest of this. Go. One in there. Alright. Do the same on the other side and then we'll tighten them up. Alright, well, brackets are on the crossbars and now we're just going to get the actual awning up there, and I will show you how to do this with one person. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'll just show you how these bolts work. You want to take the end piece off here. The bolt side goes into the track like so. Take the nut off, same on the other side. And this part's a little fiddly, but what you want to try and do is get this up into here. Like so. Okay, now we're just gonna chuck some bolts on there to stop that from coming out. Now we're just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Bring this up and over. Hopefully have enough room there. Yep, we do. Good. This goes in like that. Alright, now this should be able to rest there like that. We'll go washer. Alright, now that it's loosely fitted, you can sort of slide this back and forth a little bit to adjust it where you want it. It's looking pretty good where it is, so we'll just grab a socket set and tighten it up. All right, so we got it on the car and let's set it up. Alright, just setting this up and thought I'd throw in a quick guy rope tutorial because they can be quite confusing, but they are pretty easy once you know how. So I've already done the other side and I'm just doing this side now. Your guy rope here, now it always has like a knot at the end that you want to make sure is actually done up. Alright, so knot at the end, this part goes around your peg. Alright, so comes to the end, this part just goes around your peg like that, and then you just pull it. Alright, and that's how you get the tension on the line. A bit more there. Just hammer that in. Tension it again. And we're golden. Well, fully set up. King's awning. Let's move on to the side wall and get that set up. Warranty. Oh, some more pegs. That's pretty cool. Comes in its own little bag. Well, there is this little lip here that can go through the front of the awning through here. So this one is good for rain. The rain won't sort of go through there, there's no gaps. But on the side here you will get water come through, but if you're setting up for shade, then it's all good. Alright, so I thought I would just give you some first impressions of the product. It is the cheapest awning that money can buy, and it does show in some parts. Like the bars tend to bow in over here. Can see that rain would be an issue here. And I would imagine that rain's going to pull in the middle too. But overall I am happy with the product. Any other awning would be 2-3 times the price of this one, and I think this will get me by just fine. But I will keep you guys posted on how it goes down the track, and as always, thanks for watching.